Hello, good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael and in today's video we're going to talk about Gcash. If you're not familiar with Gcash, it's a major player in the electronic wallet market in the Philippines. Over the next few weeks I'll be sharing my experiences with Gcash and unfortunately they haven't been great. Gcash is holding around 60,000 pesos, it's about 1,000 USD or 1,000 euros, of my money hostage and I've received no support to get it back. This has been going on for months and I have every reason to believe that this will still go on for another few months. The impact of this on the average Filipino's financial stability and inclusion is significant. But before I dive into my experience, let me give you a little background on Gcash. It's a digital wallet and online payment platform in the Philippines that is operated by Globe Fintech Innovations Inc. It's licensed and regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, the country's central bank, which ensures, or should ensure, that the company operates under strict compliance with financial regulations and consumer protection laws. Gcash has been in operation since 2004 and has gained a significant user base in the Philippines with over 40 million registered users as of 2021. It's also received numerous awards and recognitions for its services, including Best Mobile Payment Solution at the Asia Mobile Awards in 2019 and 2020. However, my recent experience with Gcash has been far from positive, and it seems like I'm not the only one. The large number of complaints that are not getting solved is alarming. If you're not a Gcash user now, my advice is to stay away from them until they've got their act together. If you're a masochist and insist on putting yourself through hell, as with any financial service provider, it's important to exercise caution and ensure that you understand the terms and conditions of using their services before committing to using them. But even that doesn't seem to make a difference, as Gcash is not complying with their own SLAs. So, why is Gcash such a pile of crap right now? Our companies can become the victim of their own success when they experience rapid growth that they are unable to manage effectively. As a company becomes more successful, it may encounter a range of challenges, such as increased competition, increased customer expectations, and operational complexities. For example, a company that experiences rapid growth may struggle to maintain quality control over its products or services, leading to customer dissatisfaction and negative reviews. The company may also find it difficult to manage its finances, inventory, and supply chain, leading to inefficiencies and reduced profitability. Additionally, a company that experiences rapid growth may also struggle to maintain its company culture, leading to a decline in employee morale and increased turnover rates. This can further exacerbate operational challenges and negatively impact the company's bottom line. In some cases, a company may need to pivot its business strategy or make significant organizational changes to adapt to its growth, which can be difficult to manage and may result in short-term setbacks. Ultimately, companies need to strike a balance between growth and sustainability to avoid becoming the victims of their own success. I would be happy to hear from customers as well as employees about their positive and also their negative experiences. Feel free to leave them in the comments below. So, follow me over the next weeks in my adventure in dealing with Gcash and the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas while I'm trying to get control over my own money back. This should make a nice and exciting video series. If you find this interesting, or more importantly, if you are a customer with another native digital bank or e-wallet, please consider subscribing to this young channel. There will be valuable lessons along the way. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll be back with an update tomorrow.